How to share your booking page on your website or social media in Brisk Appointment. Brisk Appointment makes it easy to provide clients with a link or QR code to book their own appointments from your website or social media channels. Go to Settings and click the Online Booking tab. Enable your public booking portal and customize the settings and text for your business. Click Copy Public Portal URL to copy the booking portal link. This link can be shared on your website, social media channels, or in messages to clients. Click the Show QR Code button to create a QR code that will take users to your booking portal. Print or download the QR code to share online or in printed materials. Your clients will be able to easily access your booking portal and schedule appointments from anywhere at their leisure, improving convenience and increasing bookings. For more Brisk Appointment tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.